Hi, welcome to Stuck in a Truck. My name's Steve. This video is about Sunday preparation. Don't forget that we produce new content every Wednesday, so make sure you hit the subscribe button and don't forget to click that bell to get the notifications. If you've got any comments, please feel free to leave them in the box below. All comments are welcome and people get as much out of your comments and tips and tricks as they will mine. You take care, enjoy the video. Okay, it's the big cook-off for the week. In the wok we've got 2 tins of tomatoes, half a dozen mixed peppers, maybe 9 actually, plenty of mushrooms, about 1 kilo of mushrooms, spring onions, raw onion, and that's all just going to cook off nicely. After about 20 minutes I'm going to add some rice and some pearl barley, and that will form the basis of my lunches and evening meals for the next 7 days. And I'll mix that with the chicken and bacon fry-off that I'll do in a minute. But this is going to end up into the, there's going to be a beef stock cube added, then like I say a big dollop of rice and pearl barley. And there's a bag of spinach in there as well. What I used to do was just evaporate all this moisture, whereas now I just cook it very slowly in a bain-marie. That's what this pan's doing here. Just let the rice and the pearl barley absorb all that goodness. So it is really tasty. There'll be a jar of garlic and a jar of ginger goes into that as well as half a tub of white pepper. So it'll blow your bloody head off. Might put some chilli in this week as well. It's just see how we go job. Speak to you later. Okay, so here's the veg cooking nicely. All the rice is added, it's in the bain-marie, so there's no direct heat. What used to happen was all the pearl barley and the rice used to stick to the bottom of the wok and just burn. But because it's in this great fucking pan, look, it's just ticking away under there. There's no actual direct heat on the wok, and it's called a bain-marie, it just stops any burning. Okay, and in this pan we've got 2 packs of chicken and about 4 packs of bacon, all trimmed, no fat. You can see the moisture being forced off, and I've already drained this about 4 times. And this is, seriously, you're reducing the weight by about 1/3, just driving this moisture off. And then when you've got all the moisture out, you can start to cook it, and that'll have half a jar of lazy garlic, half a jar of lazy ginger, and about a tablespoon of white pepper ground on that, and that'll just cook off nicely, and that will go into a box. Then I can mix some of that with some of that, and that'll be dinners for the week and evening meals if I come in late. There you go, all sin free, completely sin free. Loads of speed in that, loads of mushrooms, tomatoes, tomato puree, so it's guaranteed weight loss material. And it may get boring, but I just look at it as fuel for a fat burning engine. It's not about enjoying it, although it does taste nice. But I've not added any moisture to this, by the way, and look at that. That is how they supposedly cure bacon now. That's just, they're selling you water. That's just Tesco's ripping you off. Seriously. Water's cheaper than meat, isn't it? And they're still selling that at $4.50 a fucking kilo. Robbing bastards. Look at it all. Really fucks me off. But hey, we got to eat, and I'm not having a garden full of chickens to go and get my own, so just have to put up with it, I suppose. Anyway, speak to you later. Take care. Okay, so this is the veg now. Nice and dried out, beautifully cooked, and it tastes divine. Absolutely does. Really nice. And that'll go into a big box, chill down, and into the fridge. And here's the chicken and bacon. You can just see it's completely dry now. Just starting to get a bit of dryness, a bit of burn in the bottom of the pan. So you know it's dry. All the moisture's out of it. That's what you want. And we've added, or I've added, half a jar of, lost it, half a jar of chopped garlic and half a jar of chopped ginger. and half and half. Half's gone into the meat, half's gone into the veg. Okay, so now all I've got to do is a week's worth of overnight oats and bran and a box full of ham wraps. So that's 4 packets of ham. Got the ham in the fridge there, so 4 packs of that, and then we're done for the week. Plenty of blueberries, plenty of strawberries, job's done. Well, that's the finished product. I hope you've enjoyed this video and it gives you some insights into how I prepare for the week. You take care, and don't forget, hit subscribe, click that bell.